So, welcome back to another episode of the Let's Play. So, Mike there. So, I did a decent amount of work off camera. I got some of animals. I dyed some sheep, and I got a whole lot of chickens. So, today is actually the day I'm leaving for Alaska. I'm just quickly recording this, so I have a video for today. So, I also made a basement. And we have a future enchantment room. We don't have any bookshelves yet, but this is the main thing. So I was making a little bit of a mine here because I needed some diamonds. And boom, I run into a zombie spawner. So I'm going to go craft myself a diamond sword from the extra diamonds we have. And then I think I'm going to go down and try to take that out. And maybe make a grinder out of it today. Let's see. Let's put that. So this is going to be very interesting. We make this spawner. Okay, so I got a diamond sword, and I got my water bucket. We also are going to need one more. Make an infinite water source down there. So here we go, we got another one. Let's go ahead and get some water. So we have a lot of clothes of sheep. It's pretty cool. Here's our other spot where we set camp up. I'm pretty close to that one. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some water, and we are going to go make the grinder. So yes, today is the day I am leaving for Alaska. It's going to be very fun. I'm leaving in, I think, 2 hours. So I got plenty of time to get this recorded and done. So I have no time to rush. And I'm going to go ahead and hop down here. So this is going to be awesome. Let's see. Okay, this might be hard. I'm going to place water down there. Okay. This is the moment of truth. I'm going to go ahead and get some of this to regen. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh yes, there's chest. I didn't mean to do that. No. There's a chain armor, guys. The last one left. Boom, 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 and boom, boom. Okay. Ooh, it's enchanted book. Sharpness 4. Let's go. So I can't get all that stuff right now. Let's check the other chest. We can get the saddle. That's definitely what we want. Pretty good, pretty good. So I'm going to quickly mine some of this. So I cleared out the room. I went up here to get a good shot. Some zombies spawned. Get them out of here. Killed. Okay. So basically all we need to do now is place the water and make the little chamber down there, and then we got this completely done. One thing I want to do is I'm going to place some ladders right there. So I can like kind of get up there. There's a torch. Okay, so there we go. Now we can get up and down from there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make the little chamber down there. Oh, wait. That's not right. We need to dig this one more down. So I'm going to quickly do that on camera. So about the new series, the Realms SMP is going to be amazingly fun. So hope you guys are going to enjoy. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to enjoy the Realms SMP. It's going to be awesome. I just want to thank you guys for 7 subscribers. So I made like 3 videos and I'm already at 7 subscribers. I did not expect that. I expected to be at like 1. And then slowly start getting subscribers when I'm like made my 20th episode. So you guys have been awesome. Thank you so much for all the supportive comments and likes. They really do help me. So let's go ahead and Boom, we got that done. So let's make the chamber down here. Well, let's make it about here. And these. Okay, so they'll drop down there. So we can actually get a horse now, which would be really awesome. And we can actually get a sharpness 4 sword. That's amazing already. So this is something that's going to be very hard to do. I have to make sure I get the ladder up to my base. So let's see, if I go 1, 2, 3, 4 out, then I go 5 out, and go up. Will I get into my base? Or will I not be into my base? Let's hope I can. That would be awesome. Then we'd have a grinder in our base. Doesn't look like it. Let's look over here. Would this be in the base? I don't think so. So I'm going to come back when I got this all. So I'm back and I got this all figured out. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly store some stuff in here so I can pick up all the stuff down there. Go ahead and get some dirt. We don't need that. That. We don't need our iron pickaxe. Those two. You don't need obsidian. Okay. Don't need the raw stuff. We don't need that. Okay, so this is what I finally got done. So I got this down here, and I got it where you go right down into the thing. Boom, we have the grinder here. Heck, why can't I get out? Okay, that was weird. So I'm going to, what the heck? How'd you already fall down here, buddy? There's some water up there. So this is when it gets really interesting. I'm going to take the torches out. Whoa, 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 what are you guys doing? Okay, there we go. Now we need to break these chests. Get all this stuff. Okay, we can hold all of it. Oh, wait. Not yet. We need to make an infinite water source. Ew, there's some iron here. Go on and grab all of this. Ugh. Let's go ahead and put that there and that there. Perfect. Let's take some torches out. Here's where it's gonna get really interesting. We'll have to take the torches out. Hey, buddy, sit down. Go away. Boom, boom, boom. Pew. Okay. There's one last one over there. Knock it out. Got it. Perfect. I gotta get down there quick. Boom, we did it. It's all done. Perfect. The grinder is now complete. Now we have a good way of getting experience once we need it. So the episode is coming to an end here, and there's one last thing I want to do. So yeah, I did find a horse, and I trapped it because I knew it was a really good one, so I went ahead and trapped it. Where is it? So I want to tame this horse. 15 hearts. It's amazing. Golden horse armor on this baby. What the heck are you doing here? Interrupted me. Yes, he is fast. He has 15 hearts. I think his jump's not as good, but it's definitely good. So I'm going to go ahead and just chill down here for us. So I think it's time to end off the episode. I'm going to go ahead and quickly sleep if I can. Cannot. So I'm going to end off the episode. So thank you all for watching the 3rd episode of the Let's Play. It really means a lot to me. Please do give a like and subscribe, and I love you guys, and peace out.